What's up, everybody? Today on Make It Cozy, we're gonna make a trellis for like super cheap. Let's check it out. All right, so I went ahead and went to the hardware store and I picked up some of these cedar pickets. They're about $3.50 each. But I set my fence to 7/8 of an inch so that I can get 5 pieces, and that's gonna leave a 1/2 inch piece left over for a 1 foot, a 2 foot, and a 3 foot brace. And so I'm using my outfeed roller right here that I made in a previous video. It just makes me work solo way more comfortable, way more confident, and I can just bust these out like real quick. So that's what's up. So now that I have all 6 pieces, I can go ahead and get these kind of like staged. Yeah, I'm like super pumped for glue up. So they're kind of fanned out anyways because some of the boards had twists in them. But I just want to glue using Type Bond 3 because it's waterproof. There's a little close up there. Is that maybe like 6, 7, 8 inches, you know, just depending. And I'm going to clamp these down and let them set so that I can drive a 2.5 inch screw on either side. The bottle says that it takes about 30 minutes and you need 24 hours for a complete glue up. And so I gave it a couple of hours and that was good enough for me. And so I'm just going to go ahead and drill. And I also used this like little countersinking bit so that I can drive it in a little bit further because 2.5 like barely cuts it. So that's why I'm hitting it from both sides. So one's going to go from the left, one's going to come from the right. That way I just have, you know, like just quality assurance right there just to make sure that it's not going to fall apart. And one other thing that I did is that I put some glue on the bottom side, like the very bottom, just to, you know, I mean, it's cedar, so it should be pretty rotten waterproof, but I'm also using that in order to, you know, hedge my bets so that it'll be more waterproof. All right, so now that you see that everything's all fanned out appropriately, I glue up with that 6th piece. This is the 3 foot 1/2 inch piece. And so I really take my time there, and then whenever I drop down to this 2 foot piece that you see me working with here, it's 22 inches from the top, and then it's going to be 22 inches from the 2 foot piece and the 1 foot piece later. But taking my time with the 3 foot part and making sure the spacing is all good makes way quicker work for this 2 foot and subsequently the 1 foot section, as you see here. Like I can just draw my line, glue, and then click with the brad nailer. And granted, I'm struggling a little bit here, but you know, we make it work. So that's what's up. So really take your time with the 3 foot one. And then you notice this clamp on the top right of your screen. And we're going to talk about that here in a second. But in the meantime, you see how quick this works. And this right here is why you need to be careful with knots. Because right at the bottom, right as I was like trying to configure, not whenever I was getting way up there, but whenever I started doing the, in between the 2 and the 1, it was like, kirk. And I was like, what is the sound? What is happening? How could it be stressing already? And then I was stressing because it cracked. So I put it in place, and then I'm just going to try to glue the bejesus out of it and try to use a nail, and hopefully it'll work. So, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, so using copious amounts of glue and a 16 gauge brad nailer, I was able to save the first one. But just pay attention whenever you're at the hardware store to, like, you know, the less knots you have, especially towards the ends, the better. So then now that I know the process, right, I can go through the second one super quick. Obviously, this is a time lapse, but yeah, just make sure that the spacing's all good and then just go to town. Then you can just bust these out like real quick. Spaceballs? Anyway, I'm trying to like a Spaceballs bit. Anyway, enough goofing around. So we got the trellis, right? We definitely went to school on the first one because knots. Watch out for those knots, right? If it was not for the knot, it would have been great for the first roll. But hey, I learned on the second one. And so we got this guy built. We have a few. Now all we got to do is just stick it out next to the bush and hopefully the vines will start vining away and it'll be cool. We got to figure it out. We use the outfeed roller. I'll leave a link in the description about how I made that. This is kind of like a 1 of 2 for that build as well. And again, I appreciate if you would hook me up with all the free stuff, right? Like, subscribe, bells, all that kind of good stuff like that. But hey, with that being said, we finish this one up and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace. I wonder if trellis, like, is trellis a verb? Like, where does it come from? What's the etymology? We're going to make a trellis for like... I need dust collection.